you take your time. There's something about the love of things you like. Fire when the strobe hits. Bet you're looking for something new. I feel the heat with you staring up across the room.
Hello students, how you all are at your home? I hope that you all are fine and great doing at your home. So, you all are welcome to Vidya Bal Bhavan Senior Secondary School. Subject English. In class 9th, and by me, that is Purnima Bhardwaj. Okay, first of all, let's have some instructions. You have to upload your homework on the portal. If you have doubts, you just have to mail them on vbseniors@gmail.com. Take a pencil with you to underline the difficult words and write the meanings as well as on the spot. Write down all the words with their meanings in fair notebook. Do all the uploaded work in fair notebook. And one more thing, students, I want to tell you that in August month, in second week, I think, okay, there will be your exams. Okay, the July month syllabus will come. You just have to prepare for that. Okay, you just have to go through with the syllabus and just learn them. Okay, and one more thing I want to tell you, that you have to enhance your language. Okay, you can enhance your language by reading, conversation at home, okay, listening English songs, okay, and learn the lyrics and repeat the lyrics after them. Okay, these are the various ways you can improve your language. Okay, let's move further. Okay, the book is First Flight and this chapter, okay, from the diary of Anne Frank. Okay, let's go towards the chapter. Before moving towards the chapter, first of all, we will see the objectives of this video. Okay, what are the few objectives of this video? Reading of the chapter, explanation of the chapter, and recapitulation. Okay, these are the few objectives of the chapter of the video. Okay, so first of all, let's discuss that what we have read in this chapter, what we have understood in the chapter. Okay, there is a girl named Anne Frank who is the writer as well of this chapter. Okay, she has written a diary entry. We can say that whenever we are alone at home and we are not having friends, we used to write diary. Similarly, this girl is also not having friends of her. Okay, she was used to write diary on herself. Okay, so there are various strange experiences also that she has written. Okay, now let's move further in the chapter. Since no one would understand a word of my stories to Kitty, if I were to plunge right in, I'd better provide a brief sketch of my life, much as I dislike doing so. Okay, what is she saying? That the Kitty, she kept the name of the diary as Kitty. So she was saying that since no one would understand a word of my stories to Kitty, okay, if I were to plunge right in, I'd better provide a brief sketch of my life, much as I dislike doing so. She will write all the things, whatever are there, okay, in her diary, okay, that may be disliked by her also, means her disliking is also there in that diary. Okay, next, my father, the most adorable father I have seen ever, didn't marry my mother until he was 36 and she was 25. What is she saying? That her father was most adorable father, means she personally likes her father. Why? Because she didn't marry mother until he was 36. Okay, he was having a good job and everything, and the mother was 25. Okay, my sister Margaret was born in Frankfurt in Germany in 1926. Okay, what she's saying, that her sister Margaret is the name of her sister, was born in Frankfurt in Germany in 1926. I was born on 12th June 1929. Okay, this was the year of Anne Frank. I lived in Frankfurt until I was 4. Okay, till 4 years she used to live in Frankfurt. My father emigrated to Holland in 1933. Okay, what they did, they just immigrated to Holland in 1933. My mother, Edith Hollander Frank, went with him to Holland in September, while Margaret and I were sent to Aachen to stay with our grandmother. Okay, what she's saying that my mother Edith Hollander Frank went with him. Okay, to Holland means with the father of Anne Frank. Okay, in September they done that. They went, while Margaret means her sister and I went to Aachen to stay with our grandmother. They both were used to stay at their grandmother. Okay, Margaret went to Holland in December. Okay, and I followed in February. Margaret went to Holland in December and she followed her in February after her 2 months. When I was plunked here means down, put down in a casual way. When I was plunked down on the table as a birthday present for Margaret. Okay, when she put down in the casual way on the table as a birthday present for Margaret. I started right away at the Montessori Nursery School. What she says that I started right away at the Montessori Nursery School. Okay, she started from the Montessori Nursery School. Next, I stayed there until I was 6, at which time I started in the first form. Okay, now when she was at 6, she stayed there, okay, and she started with her first form. In the 6th form, my teacher was Mrs. Capiris, the headmistress. Okay, the teacher of Anne Frank was the headmistress. At the end of the year, we were both in tears as we said a heartbreaking farewell. Okay, they were having farewell students. Okay, outside India there is a lot of farewell after every class. Okay, they were having tears in their eyes that time. Heartbreaking farewell. Okay, this means that heartbreaking. What does this mean? That they both are connected to each other. Emotionally, they are connected to each other very well. In summer of 1941, Grandma fell ill and had to have an operation. So, the birthday was there of Anne Frank and the grandma fell ill. Okay, then the birthday went with the little celebration. Next is Grandma died in January 1942. No one knows how often I think of her and still love her. Okay, Grandma died in 1942 January. Okay, no one knows how often I think of her and still love her. Why? Because she was very attached to her grandmother. Why? Because from the childhood only she used to live with her. This birthday celebration in 1942 was intended to make up for the other, and Grandma's candle was lit along with the rest. Okay, what is she saying? That this birthday celebration 1942 was intended to make up for the other, and Grandma's candle was lit along with the rest. She used to love her a lot, and that is why she used to lit candle on Grandma's grave. Okay, next, the 4 of us are still doing well, and that brings me to the present date of 20th June 1942. So what she's saying, that the 4 of us, okay, there are 4 siblings, okay, are still doing well. They all are doing well, and that brings me to the present date of 20th June 1942 and the solemn dedication of my diary. Okay, what that bring? Because she got alone that time, because Grandma went and her sister also went away. Okay, then she got alone. Okay, she was having no friend, no sister, no grandmother. Okay, that's why she started writing diary, a total dedication towards the diary. Okay, so students, there is again an oral comprehension check for you over here. Okay, so you just have to do these questions as an assignment. Why does Annie provide a brief sketch of her life? What tells you that Annie loved her grandmother? Okay, first is you just have to tell or write the brief sketch of the life, that why she's providing, what is the reason behind she's providing us that life sketch. Why? Because she was very nervous. Okay, she was very upset. She was having no friend and only the diary she was having. So she wants to tell everything to her best friend, that is the diary. Next is, what tells you that Annie loved her grandmother? Okay, what are the stanzas that tells you that Annie loved her grandmother? You have to write those stanzas or stanzas. Now let's see that what is she saying next. Now she has written diary again. Okay, that is the day is Saturday, 20th June 1942. Dearest Kitty, our entire class is quacking in its boots. What is quacking? Quacking in its boots means shaking with fear and nervousness. Okay, the whole class, the entire class was very nervous. The reason, of course, is the forthcoming meeting in which the teachers decide who will move up to the next form and who will be kept back. Okay, so this is a sequence, or we can say method, that abroad countries do like. Okay, that they used to give and decide that which student will go in the next class and which we will kept back. Half the class is making bets. Okay, as usual, students used to do that. They used to make bets that I'm gonna go, okay, or he or she'll gonna go. GN and I laugh ourselves silly at the two boys behind us, CN and Jacobs. Okay, they were just making fun of the two boys. They are just behind of them. Okay, that is CN and Jacobs, who have stocked their entire holiday savings on their bet. Okay, what they have done in the bet, that they put some of the currency, money, okay, in their bet. They're all the savings of their entire holiday. From morning to night, it's you're going to pass. No, I'm not. Yes, you are. No, I'm not. It was like that from morning to night. Since whole of the day, they were like this, like you are going to pass. No, I'm not. Yes, you are. No, I'm not. Even G's pleading glances and my angry outbursts can't calm them down. Even G's pleading glances and my angry outbursts can't calm them down. Okay, they are not just getting calm. Okay, why? Because they are having bet and they just gonna lose their all the savings. That is why they both are not just being quiet. If you ask me, there are so many dummies. What about that? About a quarter of the class should be kept back. Okay, what is she saying? That if you ask me, there are so many dummies. Okay, there are so many examples that about a quarter of the class should be kept back. Okay, what is she saying? That if you are asking to me, there are so many dummies, there are so many examples. Okay, that about half of the quarter of the class should be kept back. They are not going to the another class. But teachers are the most unpredictable creatures on earth. They are just appraising the teachers. Okay, what they are saying, that teachers are the best creatures on earth. Okay, they are just doing or talking about that. I'm not so worried about my girlfriends and myself. We'll make it. The only subject I'm sure is about maths. Okay, what the next one is saying, that I'm not worried about my girlfriends, my friends, and myself. What is he saying? That we'll make it. We'll have more friends. Okay, the only subject I'm not sure about is maths. So students, there were a situation that the students, those who are passing out, will get maths, and those who are not, they will not get the maths. I think so. Okay, so that was the scenario over here. That is why they were worried. He was or she was worried. So let's move forward. Anyway, all we can do is wait. Okay, what he says, what she says, that anyway, we can do one thing, and that is waiting for the result. Until then, we keep telling each other not to lose heart. Okay, until then, they were just motivating themselves or each other that don't lose heart. Okay, everything will be all right. I get along pretty well with all my teachers. There are 9 of them, 7 men and 2 women. Okay, now what she's saying that I get along pretty well with all my teachers. Okay, everyone just loved me. Nobody hates me. There are 9 of them. Okay, 7 are men, males, and 2 are females. So, Mr. Keesing, there is a name of the teacher, that Mr. Keesing, the old Fauji who teaches maths, was annoyed with me for ages because I talked so much. Why he was angry with him? Why? Because she used to talk a lot in the class, and the student, those who talks a lot in the class, were the hated by the teachers. Okay, because discipline is must in a class. Okay, so what she says that Mr. Keesing, the old Fauji who teaches maths, was annoyed with me for ages. Okay, he was very annoyed with her for ages, means from many of the days, because I talked so much. Next, after several warnings, he assigned me extra homework. Okay, after the several warnings that you have to do the work, this work, he assigned me extra homework, an essay on a subject, a chatterbox. Okay, now that was a scenario where she, I think, got sad. Okay, what was that? An essay on a subject, a chatterbox. A chatterbox? What can you write about that? I'd worry about that later, I decided. I jotted down the title in my notebook, tucked it in my bag, and tried to keep quiet. Okay, what she says now, a chatterbox. He gave her an homework, that is to write an essay on a chatterbox. Okay, what she says that, how can you write about that? I'd be worried about that later. So, she decided. I jotted down the title in my notebook, tucked it in my bag, and tried to keep quiet. Okay, she just wrote that topic in her notebook and put the notebook in the bag. Okay, and tried to keep quiet in the class. That evening, after I'd finished the rest of my homework, the note about the essay caught my eye. Okay, the evening when she has given a homework to write an essay on chatterbox. Okay, what she says that after I'd finished the rest of my homework, the note about the essay caught my eye. Caught my eye over here means a kind of attraction that attracted me. I began thinking about the subject while chewing the tip of my fountain pen. Children used to have a problem or curiosity, or when they are so much nervous, they used to do like this. Okay, just chewing the tip of the pen. Okay, and in the nervousness only, she was just chewing the tip of the pen. Anyone could ramble on and leave big spaces between the words. But the trick was to come up with convincing arguments to prove the necessity of talking. Ramble on means talk or write aimlessly for long. Okay, without any aim to write or talk means ramble on. Anyone could ramble on and leave big spaces between the words. Okay, students used to do that. They just used to leave so much of spaces between the words. Okay, but the trick was to come up and convincing arguments to prove the necessity of talking. Okay, what is she saying that? But the trick was to come up with convincing arguments. Okay, the arguments that used to convince, those to motivate, to agree someone, to prove the necessity of talking. Okay, that talking in the class is very necessary. I thought, and suddenly I had an idea. She thought a lot, and suddenly she got an idea. I wrote 3 pages Mr. Keesing had assigned me and was satisfied. I argued that talking is a student's trait and that I would do my best to keep it under control. Okay, now she wrote the 3 pages Mr. Keesing had assigned her and was satisfied with that. I argued that what she written in that essay was, I argued that talking is a student's trait. Trait means a kind of you can say behavior. Okay, and that I would do my best to keep it under control. And what she said, that I would be doing this, that I will keep that in control. I will not do any kind of talkings from now onwards. Okay, now let's move forward. Okay, but that I would never be able to cure myself of the habit, since my mother talked as much as I did, if not more, and that there's not so much you can do about inherited traits. What is she saying? Inherited traits means quality that one gets from one's parents. Okay, but that I could never be able to cure myself. Okay, what she thinks now, that is, it is inherited traits, means it is genetic. Okay, my mother is also used to talk a lot, and that is why me also, so it's a habit of mine. So that's why she says that, but that I would never be able to cure myself of the habit, since my mother talked as much as I did, if not more. Okay, what she says, that my mother was also used to talk as much as I am doing. Okay, and that there's not so much you can do about inherited traits. And she wrote that there is nothing you can do about the inherited traits. These are the qualities which you have received from the parents. Mr. Keesing had a good laugh at my arguments. Okay, now when she showed that to her teacher, he laughed, okay, with her arguments. But when I proceeded to talk my way through the next lesson, he assigned me a second essay. Okay, when she proceeded to talk my way in her way through the next lesson, he assigned her a second essay. This time it was supposed to be on an incorrigible chatterbox. Okay, incorrigible means something that cannot be corrected, usually bad quality. Okay, that is incorrigible, that can't be corrected. Okay, what he says, that this time it was supposed to be on an incorrigible chatterbox. Now he gave the another essay, that is an incorrigible chatterbox. I handed it in, and Mr. Keesing had nothing to complain about for 2 whole lessons. Okay, what she says, that I handed it in, and Mr. Keesing had nothing to complain about for 2 whole lessons. Okay, now she handed over both the things, both the essays, to him. Now let's move forward. However, during the 3rd class, he'd finally had enough. Anne Frank, as punishment for talking in class, write an essay entitled Quack Quack Quack, said Mistress Chatterbox. Okay, now what he says, that Anne Frank, as punishment for talking in class, write an essay entitled as Quack Quack Quack, said Mistress Chatterbox. Okay, he used to just scold her. Okay, he just used to tell her that you are talking a lot. You have to stop talking. You don't just have to talk a lot in the class as you are studying in the class. Okay, students, from here onwards we will have in the next video. Okay, so till here we will just have a recapitulation that what we have done in the video. So students, I am ending this video over here. Okay, just we have done the reading of the chapter. I have given you the explanation as well. Okay, and then we are doing the recapitulation. And again I want to tell you that you have to send your assignments on VBB Seniors if you have problem, and if not, then you can send on the portal with your queries as well. Okay, and one more thing I would like to remind you, that you are having your exams. Okay, maybe they are the UTs in the 2nd of August, in the 2nd week of August, sorry. Okay, just July syllabus will come. Okay, just go through with that. You will be very helpful if you are learning the things right now along with the syllabus. Okay, just learn them along with the syllabus. That will be very helpful to you, okay, for future. Now you have to just learn the July work, whatever you have given. Okay, so thank you so much and take care of yourself. We'll meet in the next video. Okay, thank you everyone.